make your online meetings more enjoyable, interactive, and engaging. It's difficult to keep your virtual audience's attention while they're busy laughing at TikToks in another window. You'll need more choices for communicating with your guests during online sessions if you want them to stay engaged instead of alt-tabbing away. What if there was a webinar platform that made it simple to connect with attendees, host breakout rooms, and enhance the overall user experience? Meet GoBrunch. What is GoBrunch? GoBrunch is a flexible webinar platform with a distinctive UI that offers greater engagement and value for online participants. With interactivity and a user experience that resembles real-world events, the platform's distinctive interface enables you to make virtual events more enjoyable. You and your attendees won't need to install anything in order to host an unlimited number of webinars inside of GoBrunch. Setting up your virtual classroom with the option to stream presenters, enable your camera, and instantly screen share with sound takes only a few minutes. The configuration of the room is up to you, allowing participants to select their own seats and mingle with other guests just like in person. GoBrunch features. GoBrunch comes packed with features that allow you to turn your boring online meeting into an engaging and interactive one. Some of the features are given below. Virtual seminar room. To make virtual events more fun, GoBrunch comes with a unique interface, which creates a top-notch user experience for each event. Use this unique interface to create short conferences to longer courses. No need to worry about any time limit. Multiple session. GoBrunch allows you to create events with multiple sessions in it. Let's assume you have 5 organizers. Now you can assign different organizers for each session. Whether you run online training or events, these features can ease your hassle. Recording on the cloud. While you are running a webinar, you can record with GoBrunch. Your recorded webinar will be stored in the cloud, so that you can share and download the webinar using easily shareable links. Customize. GoBrunch allows you to personalize each of your sessions using your brand logo and the custom background of a room. Presentation and video. While you are hosting an online meeting, you may need to share your computer screen or presentation slides. To do that, GoBrunch lets you share your screen with sound. GoBrunch lifetime deal features and overview. You can play video content, show uploaded slides, record your sessions, and retrieve video files once the session has gone live. Visitors will be able to participate by raising their hands, casting votes, and holding up signs. It enables you to download a thorough frequency report that shows how long each participant participated in the live session after the event has ended. You never have to worry about someone unintentionally leaving their microphone on while the facilitator is giving their presentation using this tool. To make sure that the presenter is the only focus of attention, the facilitator can control every mic and camera for every participant. In order to ensure that everything goes as planned during your session, you will also be able to manage the screen and moderate the session conversation. It enables the creation of both open and closed sessions for webinars, courses, meetings, and events. You can host a number of breakout rooms and sessions simultaneously, each with a separate facilitator, much like an in-person event. Give your participants access to your personalized event link so they can browse through the sessions and attend the ones that stand out to them. Upload presentations, play YouTube videos, and screen share with sound. Designed for exclusive virtual spaces, as well as the choice to add your branding. Create a unique URL and shareable video recording links for each event. 180 days of storage following the availability of the recording, along with presentations and documents following upload. Personalize and trademark your virtual environments. On-demand MP4 video uploads for asynchronous playback. Miro, Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides collaboration tools. GoBrunch is a versatile webinar platform with a unique interface that provides more engagement and higher value for virtual attendees. With Zoom fatigue running high, GoBrunch transforms the way you run virtual sessions. The platform's unique interface allows you to make virtual events more fun with interactivity and a user experience that mimics in-person events. You'll be able to host unlimited webinars inside of GoBrunch. No installation required for you or your attendees. It only takes a few minutes to set up your virtual classroom with the immediate ability to screen share with sound, enable your camera, and broadcast presenters. You can choose the room layout, giving participants the chance to pick their own seats and meet other attendees, just like in person. Once the session is live, you'll be able to play video content, present uploaded slides, record your sessions, and download video files. Guests will be able to interact with the ability to raise their hands, vote, and raise signs. Plus, at the end of the session, GoBrunch lets you download a detailed frequency report that displays how long each attendee participated in the live session. With GoBrunch, you never have to worry about someone accidentally leaving their mic on while the facilitator is presenting. The facilitator can manage every mic and camera for every attendee to ensure that all the attention is on the person presenting. You'll also be able to control the screen and moderate the session chat, making sure that everything runs smoothly during your session. Without interactive elements, webinars become another excuse for people to check out mentally and scroll through their inboxes. GoBrunch brings the in-person experience back to virtual sessions with features that allow attendees to interact with facilitators and other participants. Connect in the digital age. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to GoBrunch today. One-time purchase of $79 only.